So we're here today at the Career Factory, enjoying some good weather. The students are also connecting and networking with companies, finding the right positions for what they want, and also some good vibes here in our campus, and just enjoying a good time.
When I saw that this event will take place, I immediately wanted to register because it's a great opportunity to meet company representatives and find out more about those companies, and at the same time to build strong networks and meet new people.
The highlight of today was the opportunity to find a job which perfectly matches my expectations and industry I want to work in.
Today is the Career Factory Day, and the main reason why I came here is because it's a great opportunity to network and to explore the other companies that are here at Heilbronn, especially for me as a first-year student to find different job or internship opportunities. And it's an awesome day to spend a sunny day outside here.